Spray Polyurethane Foam insulation offers several benefits for your home when properly installed by trained professionals. Here are some of the key advantages. SPF is an excellent insulator, creating an airtight seal that helps prevent heat or cold from escaping your home. This can lead to significant energy savings and lower utility bills. SPF can seal gaps, cracks, and holes in your home's envelope, reducing air infiltration. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature and improves indoor air quality by preventing dust and allergens from entering your home. Low-cell SPF acts as a moisture barrier, preventing water vapor from infiltrating your walls and roof. This can help prevent mold growth and structural damage due to moisture. Properly installed SPF can last for several decades without degrading, which means you won't need to replace or re-insulate as often as with other insulation materials. SPF can reduce noise transmission, making your home quieter and more comfortable. SPF can be used in various applications, including attics, walls, crawl spaces, and roofs, making it a versatile insulation option. Spray foam can add structural rigidity to walls and roofs, increasing the overall strength of your home. With its superior insulation properties, SPF helps maintain a more comfortable indoor environment, reducing drafts and temperature fluctuations. A well-insulated home with SPF can be more attractive to potential buyers, as it signifies energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Spray foam has many benefits that increase the comfort and value of your home, making it the superior insulation choice for your basement remodeling project. Schedule your free estimate with Basement 2 Finish today to learn more about how to get the most out of your investment.